All right. Let's see if I'm recording. Recording. I guess so. Yeah. So, this app right here, I just want. This is a script, and this is the app demo. I want to get this app fully functional. I don't know with Google. I think you could upload the app as a test app. You can upload it as. I think you can upload it as a test app. If so, we will do that and upload it to Google to as a test app to give it to our testers. But with Apple, we might upload the app, but we might make a Apple APK um, test app test package. So what I'm looking for this app, I want it to be fully functional like a demo, just like this. So this is the demo. Um, so I want everything functional like this, just like the demo, but I want things. So let's go to the docs. So let's start off. So I need the app script fully functional and ready to be handed to my testers. So work your work will be tested by professional testers before the job is considered complete. So generally, like I said, just have the app work with all the APIs, everything that's needed with Google and with Apple. I might do Apple later on. So we'll discuss that in the conversation and the discussion. We might do Apple later on. Apple is more strict. They have more strict guidelines. But I want this app functional. I want members to be able to pay for premium content. Oh, okay. Let's do it. Open up. So one thing I want to do is when people click here, I want it to be fully functional for different membership tiers. I'm clicking on the membership tiers. I might change that. I'll keep it a month, keep it 3 months, and keep it 1 year. But I'll probably change the price, and I'll probably change the rewards. So up here, I have the rewards for each price tier. The price tier will probably only change just the price. The month, 3 month, and the year probably stay the same. 5 super likes a day, probably keep that the same. And unlimited boost, I'll probably change that. So I don't want unlimited boost. So that's one thing when you upload the app script. Unlimited boost will probably be changed because everything's per month. So this is per 1 month. 29 is per 3 months, and 69 is per year. But even though that is a year, 3 months, and 1 month, in each subscription, I want the boost to be limited. I'll give you a number. It might be 5 boosts per month, like this. It might be 10 boosts or 15 boosts per month. But even though this is 3 months, each it will still be 5. Let's say I choose 5 boosts. Let's say I choose 5 boosts a month. With the 3 months, there will be 5 boosts for month 1, 5 boosts for month 2, and 5 boosts for month 3. So I just want to change the unlimited boost per month to from unlimited to, let's say, 5 or 10 or 15 per month. And if you look at the subscription, each subscription, so you get 5 super likes per day. So this is 30 3 months. So they'll get a 5 super likes per day, just like the app has attended. So it doesn't matter if it's a year, if it's 3 months, or if it's 1 month, they'll get 5 super likes per day. Reload it until their subscription runs out. But unlimited boost will be limited to whatever days and how many times per week, or how many times per week I allow it. But we'll discuss that more in the before I hire you guys. But anyway, just get the script to work like the demo, but better. Like if you hit the no thanks button, it doesn't go down. So it doesn't go down. So change that, fix that bug. That should be no issue, no problem. I want to avoid any code alteration. So I want to avoid any code alteration. Stay away from manipulating the code beyond what I give you or tell you in this video, which is very simple. And the one thing is, just change these like I said right now, but I'll give you more details when we have a conversation before I hire you. And the no thanks button, make sure that works. Down here, the text down here, that'll be changed. It will stay the same. Most of it will stay the same, but I'll add some things. There's a couple words. I'll add those words. Add a couple words. And in the gray area below the white, below the curve, in the gray area below the curve, somehow in this area right here, I want to add 2 buttons. One button will say the first button, very first button in this gray area right here will say read first, or please read. Please read. So it'll say please read. It'll have this button right here, see who likes you. So the see who likes you button, also a copy and paste. Keep the see who likes you button down here. Keep that, but add a button that just looks like that, and it will say please read. And then under that, the same exact button will say feedback, and it will link to a WordPress file. But I want everything working like the demo. So another part of the demo is the new matches. The matches should be blurred out in a non-premium free new user account. So the matches should be blurred out, and the app should work like it's intended. Another thing is you'll have likes right here. So you'll have likes all through there, and I want those to be blurred out. I think that is how the app is intended to be, but you'll tell me how the app is intended to be. So once you tell me, you go through the app, go through the script, and tell me how it's supposed to operate. We'll go from there, but I'm assuming the app is supposed to operate with a blurred out feature. So The like button should be blurred. All these likes, so you'll get a bunch of likes on this page, and that should be blurred out, and that should be only premium members are allowed to see the non-blurred out likes, and also the non-blurred out members. So the new matches should be blurred out to non-members, or non-premium subscribers. So free members can look at can see the blurred matches, but you have to buy a premium membership to be able to see the people who liked you and people who have matched with you. So new matches blurred out for non-premium members. The premium members should be able to see new matches, and premium members should be able to see the non-blurred out people who have liked you. So, and if they want to try a premium membership, they can go down here, and they want to see who likes you. They want to see who has liked them. They want to see who has matched with them. They can click at the very bottom, see who likes you, and get this pop-up screen that'll give them options to choose for a premium membership. Premium membership at the top right here should allow unlimited rewinds, super likes, the boost. We explained the boost, so me and you will discuss the boost. But also, I want to add a text that says "See who liked you" at the very beginning, right here. See who liked you instead of unlimited rewinds, and 3 options. 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3. You'll have 4 options that'll tell you. That'll give you the option to right here at the beginning, see who likes you. So that'll be at the beginning. Be able to see who likes you, and the icon, and where it says unlimited rewards or rewinds, it'll say see who likes you. The next step will say 5 super likes. The next step right here will say how many boosts I'll give you per month. And then the next step will say unlimited rewinds. It'll say this right here on the 4th step. Alright, so let's get to it. So here is a video. So this video I'm talking about right now. Tell me how bugs will be resolved. Will you charge extra for bug fixes? Will the app be... So I'll have that, and you'll discuss that, and we'll discuss that in our conversation. Add rewind text to membership scroll. I don't know about that. I don't know what's going on with that. Must be available. So availability should be on Skype at 3:30 a.m. and to 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Virginia, USA Standard Time. Need the app script fully functional and ready to hand off to testers. I think they need, so I'm just saying this app just needs to be fully functional, and I'll hand it off to testers. I think you can upload to Google Play. I think you can upload to Google Play as a test app, and we can use that to send to testers, and they can test it. So that'll be a plus. So we will probably upload the app to Google Play as a test app. So I need all the functions the same as demo, very top. So I just want the app to function like the demo, but with what I explained, which should be in the app. These all should not be custom changes. So we're not doing custom changes, custom work. Other than what I explained will be custom work. But I want the app should be fully functional, like here, like the demo, and I'll give you the demo link, and we can discuss from there what things we need to do and get done. So, oh, easy. Just need the app fully functional. So we stop here. App fully functional with an APK test, APK file that needs to be tested. I think we can upload the Google file. Need the app fully functional. So we discussed that. App fully functional. I'll give you this link at the very top. We're not doing. We're just doing Google Play right now, and we'll talk about iOS later on. I'll give you the script that's attached. I don't want any fake profiles. Create real profiles if you are going to test. So create real profiles if you are going to test. See, these are the features. So these features, you do not have to create these features. These are already in the app. I just want to make sure these work. So the gist of this is that upload the app and make sure the features of the app are functional and working. I don't really want to create custom anything other than the links in the profile page I discussed earlier on in this video. Users can sign up for memberships. So I want users on the Google Play, because right now Apple is acting up, so you can't really do in-app purchases. So Google Play, I just want Google Play to work with this screen right here. And the simple changes to the membership that I told you and gave you, told you about and gave to you. I want the Google Play subscription to be able to work with this. I want Google Play to be able to create these subscriptions and work with these subscriptions and the changes and the add-ons and takeaways that I gave to you. Just fully be able to work with the subscriptions that I want, which I talked about earlier on this page, about 5 minutes ago. All right. The next thing. So add 2 buttons on the setting page. I talked about this earlier, but briefly, the 2 buttons that'll be on this setting page right here in the gray area. Copy and paste the See Who Likes You button right here and put it down here. The first one will say read, please read, and the other text, same button, would say feedback. And I'll give you the 2 links to these 2 pages. Jesus, all right, more. See likes. So we talked about this. See likes at D, right here. D at the top. See likes, but likes are blurred out. We talked about this already. I talked about this in the beginning of the video. Make sure genders show up in the like section. So one small detail. The genders, when you do swipes, right here, this is a woman, but the gender doesn't show up. So if the app script allows this, if the app script is designed for this, make sure that this functionality works. But we'll discuss this further on, because it seems like it's a functionality that is not prevalent or meant to be for this app. So if it's not, we'll talk about custom changes. But right now I want to stay away from custom changes, any custom code other than the buttons I told you to add and the other thing. about the subscription. But I would want the gender to show up right here in the right here. You know, right beside Vicky, right beside her name, right beside the icon with the lowercase I, but Vicky might say woman, female, or whatever. But we'll talk about that further on. And make sure the genders show up in the like section of the opposite gender. So if they click like, make sure the gender shows up just like the gender shows up right here. Oh, and all notifications need to work. So the main notifications, I just want the notifications to work properly, like the app attended, and then we'll go from there. We might add notifications, we might change notifications, but I generally just want the notifications to work like the app is attended, and we'll go from there. So show me how the notifications work, and yeah, show me how the notifications work, and we'll deal with that and go from there. This is not a complete list of all the script features. Again, you will not be making any custom changes to the script other than the added 3 buttons. You just need to get the app API script to function as the script is intended. So, you basically telling you won't be making any or too much custom changes. You're just uploading the script, make sure it works. I do not want the app code altered beyond the small few changes I asked for the job. So the small few changes are the changes to the payment membership screen, and make sure also the payment membership screen, the payment membership should be for Google Pay. Google Pay is the only way or main way you're allowed to have an app on Android is to use Google Pay. But I want the app code. I don't want the app code altered other than what I have given you, which is add 2 buttons and altering the pay section. And these are just questions I have, and I'll give those to you. But I'm going to end the video right now, and we'll go more into detail in the discussion.